Hello friends, welcome to our channel EnglishTube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write and recite 10-line speech on Republic Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line, warm good morning and greetings to each one present here. Second line, I am Samir Khanna, a grade 2 student. Third line, I am here to present a speech on the auspicious occasion of Republic Day. Fourth line, Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26 January. Fifth line, it is so because our country became a democratic country on January 26, 1950. Sixth line, this day is considered to be the birth of the Indian Constitution. Seventh line, the Constitution gave Indian citizens the power to govern themselves by choosing their own government. Next line is celebrating our Republic Day will be more glorious when we all do our work honestly and sincerely. Ninth line is on this auspicious day, let us all pledge to make our country safe and clean. Last line, Jai Hind.